Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, 2nd of March, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed lower on Friday as stronger than expected inflation data and continued weakness in AI and technology stocks weighed on investor sentiment. The Dow Jones fell over 1%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also declined, as rising rate concerns and cautious global sentiment triggered profit booking across major sectors. Asian markets opened mostly weak today, tracking Friday's sell-off in U.S. markets and renewed concerns about inflation and global interest rates. Concerns regarding the conflict in Iran also played spoilsport, as all indices in Asia were in the red with the Nikkei and Hang Seng showing major corrections. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,166, thereby indicating a sharply negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading sharply higher at the start of the week, supported by escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and fears of supply disruptions, particularly around the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil transit route. Gold prices are also expected to open strongly and remain near record highs, as investors shift towards safe haven assets amid rising geopolitical uncertainty and global market volatility. Aurobindo Pharma will be in focus after Aurobindo Pharma announced that the USFDA inspected its subsidiary GAIL Pharma's formulation facility in Telangana between February 16 and 27, issuing 4 observations. The company stated it will respond within the prescribed timelines and reaffirmed its commitment to maintaining global quality standards, which will remain a key monitorable for investors. GAIL India is also in the spotlight after GAIL India announced plans to set up a 178.2 megawatt greenfield wind power project in Maharashtra, with a total investment of 1,736 crore rupees. The project is expected to be commissioned within 24 months and reflects the company's continued push toward expanding its renewable energy portfolio. NCC will also be watched after NCC received relief from the Telangana High Court, which has stayed the debarment order issued by the National Highways Authority of India. Additionally, the company secured a 326 crore rupees order in its water division, further strengthening its order book and supporting business visibility. A sharply negative open is expected for Nifty today, amid heightened geopolitical tensions as conflict flares up in the Middle East. Supports for now can be corrected downwards to 25,030, followed by 24,850, while resistance in case of a recovery will be at 25,275, with chances of increased volatility on the horizon. Weak global cues, elevated crude oil prices due to the Middle East conflict, and continued uncertainty around global interest rates may keep investor sentiment cautious and lead to volatility in Indian equities. Strong domestic institutional buying, stable macroeconomic indicators, and continued momentum in infrastructure, renewable energy, and banking sectors could support market sentiment and limit downside. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 7,536 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of a whopping 12,293 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on March 2, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.